recently on Shein I also purchased these two like long skirts, so a bit like a what's it called, like a pencil skirt. So yeah, just purchased this one in red, and then I also went ahead and purchased it in black, because again, like I said, I think black is just so easy to style, and you can just really put any colour, or any coloured blouse with, then it will go with. The next item from Shein I purchased were these under the knee boots. Now these I think should have been about £30, but they were reduced to half price, so I paid about 15. So yeah, just these leather look under the knee boots, just really cute. They remind me of, I seem to be a carpenter, wear a lot of under the knee boots, so yeah, I just think they look really nice and autumnal, so that's what they look like. And I bought these as well because they're not a really high heel. I do have some under the knee boots, but they're quite high heel, so I wanted something with a bit of a smaller heel, you know, for walking around, and I could wear them more for longer basically. So these are more like a daytime boot. That's what I brought them for. That's what they look like. And the last item I brought for work, I bought these from Matalan. It's just these like little pair of like really chunky, quite low heels. I bought these for work and they were £19 each. So I bought one in black, and I thought I'm going to buy a pair on there. So let's see out. So yeah, so I bought them for summertime, or when it's like spring, or just whatever. And the last item I purchased from a duty free at the airport. It's Marc Jacobs and Daisy Wild. It's such a nice smelling perfume. I think this is such a nice perfume. I love the Marc Jacobs like Daisy range, but yeah, it's such a nice cute bottle, so that's what it looks like. So nice, and it smells divine. And I love like how they've even done the little tube to like retrieve the perfume in green. It reminds me of like a little stem for the flower, so I don't know if that was done on purpose or not, but I absolutely love this. It's supposed to be refillable, so that's good. That's like more environmentally friendly. I think that is everything. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please feel free to comment, rate and subscribe, and I shall see you in my next video. I've got a couple of ideas for awesome videos, and ooh, my camera's dying, and I've got some exciting news. I should be moving soon, so hopefully I have like a new room to decorate, and yeah, I might make some vlogs of doing that. But I'm like moving out of the area I live in, so a bit sad, but I'm also excited, so that's going to be fun. Don't know why I sounded really sarcastic, yeah. So my videos will probably might be a bit sporadic because obviously with the move, I have to get everything sorted, but yeah, I've got that to look forward to. So anyway, my camera battery's only has 4 minutes left, so I better finish this video quickly. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I shall see you in my next one.